today's video, we are going to talk about Figma variables. And at the end of the video, you'll get to know how to use variables like a pro. So, what are the variables? In Figma, variables are usable values that help designers maintain consistency, speed of workflow, and create dynamic designs. There are four types of variables in Figma. First one is color, second string, number, and boolean. We will discuss one by one what is the use of each one. So why do we use variables? Variables are somewhat similar to style, but we get more flexibility with variables. Both style and variables allow you to store reusable values. They have two fundamental differences. A style can be used for properties that are made up of multiple values, such as gradients and shadows. For example, you can create color style that has multiple fields. However, variables can store individual raw values like a hex color code or a string of text. Another difference is that a style can't reference another style, but a variable can reference another variable, and this makes variables so powerful. In this video, we are going to talk about tokens, collection, groups, modes, and so many things. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So, this is the card I have designed already, and these are two color palettes which I am using on this card. So let's create variable now. Go to right hand side, and when you will click on the background of the artboard, you will see this variable section. Click on the setting and this pop-up will open. You can see here it is saying to create variable. Just click on it. Here we can see there are four types of variable: color, number, string, and boolean. Let's create color variable first. So this is a color icon, and here we can choose the color whatever we want. So let's give it a name, and this is the collection. Like we are going to create two three collection here, primitives, tokens, and etc. So it's better to give it a particular name. We will give it a name primitives, and let's change this. As you can see, this is orange shade, so I will give it a name orange 50, and click on this color and select the eyedropper with the color from here, and this is done for our first variable. Now we have to create the color variable for each shade of the orange. So we can do one thing, click on this and create color variable. So we have to do it again and again, but let's not do that. So select this and press shift and enter the, and it will duplicate the variables. Let's change the name only now. So it will be 100, 200. I will do this in fast forward mode now. So yeah, color naming is done. Now it's time to pick the exact color here. So I will do this by eyedropper and select this. This will be the easy process. So I will do this in fast forward mode again to save the time. So yes, our orange color variables are ready here. Now I will select all and make a group of it. Right click, new group with selection, and I will give it a name color forward slash orange. So you can see I have created a category now. Let's create a color variable for gray color. Select all variable and go to plus icon and select color variable from here. And now I will give it a name gray 50, and the process will be same. So I will create it in a fast forward mode. It is not necessary to create all the variable for each color, but I'm just showing you here how to do this. Now I will make a group of it. Select all and create a group with a name color forward slash gray. So we have two categories of color here. Now let's create a number variable for spacing. Go to all variable and click on plus and choose number from here. Maybe one, duplicate it, two, three, four, five, six. Six is fine. Let's delete the rest and let's give them value. So it is going to be a grid system. So like 4 pixel, 8 pixel. So I will give it a value of 4 pixel, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now select all these and make a group. Spacing. So here we have color and spacing variables ready. Now it's time to create token. In Figma, design tokens are a system for managing and storing design properties and values across a design system. Each token represents a specific design decision, such as a color, font, spacing, or animation. So let's create it. Here we have a collection of primitive. Let's create one more collection and I will give it a name of token. Now click here and create a color variable. And this time I will give it a name like background, BG for background, and this will be surface or primary. And I will choose the color not directly from here. We will go to library and select actually I forgot to create a color variable for base white and black. Let's create that first. Go to primitive and select all variables, create color that will be white, and this is white already. Create one more variable for black, and this will be this black. Make a group of these two, color forward slash base. So it will go on this base. Now go to token, and here we can choose the color from the library. So we are going to create a token for this card background, like it is white. So we cannot leave it just like this. We have to select it from the library. Go to color base and choose it from here white. Let's create one more variable for color, and that will be button BG primary, and that is this color. We will select it from the color variables we have created. So this is, I think, 500, orange 500. Okay, let's create one more variable, and that will be button label. Button label primary, and that will be white, of course, but not like this. We will choose it from the color variable which we created, like base color. One more, and it will be text primary. One more, it will be text secondary. And we will choose the secondary color from the gray palette, like gray 500. Okay, the group of it, select all and right click, give it a name, color. Now go to all variables and create variable. I will choose number variable this time, so it will be spacing none, and choose the variable from here, one, which is 0 already. So I'm going to create five number variable for spacing. Try small, spacing small. Choose the variable 3, spacing medium. Choose the variable number 4, and second last, spacing large. Choose the variable 5, and the last one is spacing extra large, and the variable will be 6. Now select all and make a group, give it a name, spacing. Now it's time to apply the variables to this card. Okay, before that, I think I should create variable for radius also. So go to spacing already, and I will create here number variable for radius. Radius small, let's choose it to 8. Okay, I guess it is 0 or 8. Yes, number 3 is 8. And radius medium, let's make it number 4. One more, radius large, and it will be number 5, which is 16. Okay, let's apply the variable now. Let's select the background first. Go to fill and select from here. Make sure to not touch the primitives. We have to select only from the tokens we have created. So here is the token for color. Background is white. Okay, perfect. Now select this button and go to fill. Select the background from the token, which is button background primary. That is fine. Select this text and go to fill, and it will be button label primary. Okay. Select this text, go to fill, and it will be text secondary. Select this text, and it will be black color, obviously. Also, it will be black. Let's apply radius now. So for the radius, we will go here. It is 12. So I will choose the number 4 and let's apply to the outer frame. It is 16. So it will be number 5. Okay. I think I have applied all. Okay, spacing is left now. So go to here, gap section, and I will select the variable number 4. Okay. And let's select the padding also. Number 4. This will be number 4. I don't think anything left now. Now that you know how to create variables, let's take it to next level of the variables, which is mode. We will create another mode of it. Like you can see, this is light mode. So go to variable and we will create a dark mode also for this. You can see here plus button, click on it, and here we can see one more section is available here, which is saying mode 2. So it was first, the first one was mode 1. Let's rename it light, and this one will be dark. Also, I want to let you know that this feature is only available for the pro users. You have to take subscription for this. I'm just giving the information here because you can just know how to do it in future. It will be beneficial for you. So it will be dark. Now we have to change the color mm, respective to the dark mode. So if this is dark mode, to if this is dark mode, so background color will be obviously black, and this, let's choose the orange 100, and button label will be black, and text primary will be obviously white. Okay, not white, actually this is for text primary will be white. Yeah, this is prime white. I think I missed this. Text primary should be the black here in the light mode, and secondary will be the gray. Let's leave it, or let's change it a little bit, make it this gray 200. And now, as I missed this, so I have to check it. Color base black, and this will be color base black. That is fine. Okay, so we can create this dark mode in primitives also, but I'm doing this in token. That is no problem. Let's check the both modes here. Select this frame and go to appearance section and see this icon, apply variable mode. Click on this and go to token, and it is by default selected for light. So choose dark mode. Okay, something is missing. This is missing. Let's fix this first. Select the primary color text and go to fill, and this is black. Okay, I got it. I should select this from the token and I selected this from the color base. That was the problem. So this is text primary, and this will be text primary. Yeah, this should be fine now. Now I will select the mode which is dark. Yes, it is working now. So I want to show you one really amazing thing, which is a magic. So let's create a frame. and give it a fill from the palette. From the gray palette, gray 50 is fine. And let's bring this frame inside this frame. And now this is looking perfect. Let's switch this to auto, which is light mode. Light. And select this and go to appearance section and select dark for this. So this is dark. Now duplicate it. Let's drag it here together. And now select this to, and now select this outer frame and change the mode to light. So now it is light. Now I'm going to show you the magic. Let's delete it. Select this frame and bring it in this frame. And ta-da! You can see this is the power of variables. So that's it for today. I hope you got all the steps I explained here. Still, string variable and boolean variable is left. This video is going very long. That's why I'm not doing in this video. I will bring a new video for that two variables. Don't forget to watch my next video on the variables. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.